Space exploration encompasses rockets, extraterrestrial life, and the pursuit of uncharted territories. However, one must consider the sustenance required for such endeavors. Indeed, even astronauts require nourishment. Envision traversing the cosmos, observing the Earth from afar, when suddenly a desire for a snack arises. Yet, there are no vending machines in the vast expanse of space. This is where astronaut ice cream becomes essential, a freeze-dried innovation crafted to satisfy cravings in a zero-gravity environment. Our intrigue with astronaut food extends beyond mere flavor. It encompasses survival, innovation, and the remarkable ingenuity required to prepare meals in the most extreme conditions. It stands as a testament to human adaptability. Many have pondered the experience of dining in space. Astronaut ice cream, with its unique texture and packaging, provides insight into this extraordinary culinary domain. Space food must transcend mere sustenance. It must be practical. Traditional ice cream, unfortunately, is not feasible in the vacuum of space. This is where freeze drying comes into play, a process that extracts water from frozen food, resulting in a lightweight, shelf-stable delicacy. Consider it a culinary time capsule, preserving flavors for interstellar voyages. It is akin to science fiction materializing into a delectable reality. The pursuit of space-compatible nourishment commenced well before the inaugural rocket launch. During the nascent stages of space exploration, researchers experimented with compact cubes and tubes of food, which were far from palatable. However, as missions extended in duration, the necessity for more flavorful and convenient sustenance became apparent. Freeze drying emerged as a leading method, providing a means to preserve food without compromising its flavor. This technique was initially developed for military applications during World War II, ensuring that soldiers had access to nutritious meals. This technology, originally designed for battlefields, found a new application in the realm of space exploration. By the time NASA was preparing for the Apollo missions, freeze-dried food had become a fundamental component of astronauts' diets. However, the concept of ice cream in space seemed ambitious, even for the innovative minds at NASA. It is said that Whirlpool Corporation, renowned for their household appliances, developed a freeze-dried ice cream product in the early 1960s. This product was intended for the Apollo missions, serving as a special treat for the astronauts. Although the Whirlpool Corporation pioneered the technology, astronaut ice cream was never actually utilized in space missions. It appears that astronauts had more pressing concerns, such as avoiding lunar collisions. Nevertheless, the concept of astronaut ice cream captivated the public's imagination. It symbolized the essence of space exploration, bold, innovative, and somewhat unconventional. Eventually, astronaut ice cream transcended its novelty status to become a pop culture phenomenon. It evolved into a coveted souvenir at space museums, planetariums, and science centers nationwide. The allure of tasting something associated with space travel was irresistible. The media significantly contributed by featuring astronaut ice cream in films, television shows, and cartoons. It became synonymous with futuristic and extraordinary concepts. Recall the episode of Scooby-Doo where the characters attend space camp. Indeed, astronaut ice cream made an appearance. The allure of astronaut ice cream extended beyond its flavor, or the lack thereof, as some might contend. It was about engaging with something greater than ourselves, about connecting with a fragment of the cosmos. Each morsel represented a symbolic voyage into the unknown, a means to vicariously experience the excitement of space exploration. It became a significant experience for children visiting space museums, a tangible keepsake of their celestial dreams. The flavor? Suffice it to say, it was an acquired taste. Crumbly, chalky, and dissolving in the mouth in a manner unrelated to actual melting, astronaut ice cream was an experience, not merely a dessert. Yet that was part of its appeal. It served as a conversation piece, a novelty to share with acquaintances, a way to declare, I consumed what the astronauts consume. Well, in a manner of speaking, it evolved into a cultural artifact, a distinctive symbol of America's aspirations in space exploration. It is important to clarify that astronauts have never actually consumed astronaut ice cream while in space. This is indeed factual. Although freeze-dried foods have been, and continue to be, a fundamental component of space missions, ice cream was considered too cumbersome and impractical for the zero-gravity environment. Envision crumbs of freeze-dried ice cream floating within a space capsule, potentially interfering with equipment and posing a hazard to astronauts' vision. This scenario is far from ideal. The perpetuation of this myth is likely due to its entertaining nature. It aligns with our romanticized perceptions of space exploration. We tend to imagine astronauts seeking comfort food, much like ourselves, reaching for a familiar indulgence amidst the vast expanse of space. The reality, however, is considerably more complex. Astronauts adhere to stringent dietary protocols, meticulously designed to maintain their health and performance during missions. Their food is precisely calibrated to ensure optimal nutrition, with every calorie and nutrient meticulously accounted for. How does one convert ice cream into a shelf-stable delicacy suitable for space travel, or at the very least, for a souvenir shop? The key lies in a process known as sublimation. While it may sound intricate, the concept is relatively straightforward. Consider those ice cubes that diminish in size within the freezer, despite the temperature remaining consistently below freezing. This phenomenon is sublimation at work. Freeze-drying leverages this principle. Initially, the ice cream is frozen solid, akin to conventional ice cream. Subsequently, it is placed in a specialized chamber where the pressure is reduced, creating a vacuum. This induces the frozen water within the ice cream to sublimate, transitioning directly from a solid state, ice, to a gaseous state, water vapor, entirely bypassing the liquid phase. The outcome is a dry, lightweight, and remarkably airy version of the original ice cream. It retains the majority of its flavor and can endure for years without refrigeration, provided it remains sealed in its specialized packaging. It is the quintessential space-age snack, even if it is not actually consumed in space. Although astronaut ice cream is more myth than reality, the development of space food has significantly progressed since the initial days of tubes and cubes. Present-day astronauts benefit from an impressively varied menu, with hundreds of options available, owing to advancements in food preservation technology and a deeper understanding of nutritional requirements in space. The selection includes items such as scrambled eggs and bacon, lasagna, and even shrimp cocktail. Desserts are also available, though they are more likely to be chocolate pudding or fruit salad rather than ice cream. Modern space food prioritizes fresh ingredients and familiar flavors, enhancing the quality of life in orbit. The International Space Station is equipped with a specialized oven for heating meals, allowing astronauts to enjoy warm meals that closely resemble those on Earth. However, there are still constraints. Crumbly foods are strictly prohibited. Consider the challenge of cleaning up crumbs in zero gravity. And highly spicy or pungent foods are avoided to maintain the delicate atmosphere within the spacecraft. Astronaut ice cream, despite its origins on Earth, continues to be a cherished novelty, serving as a nostalgic emblem of our fascination with space. It stands as a testament to the power of imagination and the enduring allure of all things cosmic. The narrative captivates us, even if it is not entirely factual. It permits us to dream, to envision ourselves as astronauts, consuming freeze-dried delicacies while gazing at the stars. It serves as a reminder that space exploration transcends rockets and scientific endeavors. It encompasses human ingenuity, adaptability, and the simple pleasures that enhance life, even in the most extreme environments. And perhaps, in the future, genuine astronaut ice cream will be incorporated into the array of space food rendering life on the final frontier a bit more delightful. Consider this: you are not merely consuming a novelty snack, you are partaking in a piece of history, a tangible reminder of humanity's boundless curiosity and our unwavering quest to explore the unknown. It may not be the most delectable treat on Earth, or in space, but it serves as a reminder that occasionally, the most remarkable experiences are found in the most unanticipated forms. Now, if you will excuse me, I find myself with a sudden desire for something crumbly, chalky, and truly extraordinary. Kindly pass the astronaut ice cream.